Phrasal verbs. Bend over. Big up, bite back, bite off, black out, blink out, blast off, and more.
Listen.
Bend over.
Curvar-se, inclinar-se.
Bend over to tie your shoelaces. Bend over and pick up the coin from the floor. Bend over carefully so you don't hurt your back. Big up.
Elogiar, exaltar, aumentar o volume.
Big up your friend for his great performance. Big up the important points in your presentation. Big up the speakers so everyone can hear. Bite back.
Responder com irritação, conter-se para não falar.
She bit back when he insulted her. I had to bite back my angry reply. He bit back the harsh words he wanted to say. Bite off.
Arrancar com os dentes, assumir algo difícil.
The dog bit off a piece of the bone. You bit off more than you can chew with this project. She bit off a small piece of chocolate. Black out.
Desmaiar, apagar as luzes, censurar.
He blacked out during the hot summer day. The storm blacked out the entire neighborhood. The report blacked out the confidential names. Blank out.
Esquecer-se, apagar, tela ou mente.
I blanked out his phone number completely. She blanked out during the exam from stress. The screen blanked out after the power surge. Blast off.
Lançar foguete, começar com energia.
The rocket will blast off at noon. The band blasted off their concert with a hit song. Countdown finished. Blast off. Blaze away.
Atirar continuamente, trabalhar arduamente.
The soldiers blazed away at the enemy. He blazed away at his homework all night. The gunner blazed away until the ammunition ran out. Bleed out.
Sangrar até morrer, drenar líquido.
The patient bled out before the ambulance arrived. The mechanic bled out the brake fluid. If you cut that artery, he will bleed out quickly. Blend in.
Misturar-se, camuflar-se.
The chameleon blends in with the leaves. Try to blend in at the party by dressing casually. The new building blends in with the old architecture. Blow away.
Surpreender, levar pelo vento.
Her talent will blow away the judges. The wind blew away my hat. That magic trick blew away the entire audience. Blow down.
Derrubar, vento, abater.
The storm blew down many trees. High winds blew down the old fence. The hurricane blew down several houses. Blow off.
Ignorar, liberar vapor.
He blew off my suggestion completely. The steam blew off from the kettle. Don't blow off your responsibilities at work. Blow out.
Apagar vela, estourar pneu.
Blow out the candles on your birthday cake. The tire blew out on the highway. A gust of wind blew out the campfire. Blow over.
Passar, tempestade ou crise, cair pelo vento.
The storm will blow over by morning. The scandal blew over after a few weeks. The fence blew over during the night. Blow up.
Explodir, inflar, ampliar foto.
The bomb blew up the bridge. Blow up the balloons for the party. The photographer blew up the image to poster size. Boil down to.
Resumir-se a reduzir por ebulição.
The problem boils down to lack of money. Boil down the sauce to make it thicker. His argument boils down to one simple fact. Boil over.
Transbordar líquido, perder a paciência.
The milk boiled over and made a mess. She boiled over with rage at the insult. Keep the heat low so the soup doesn't boil over. Bolt down.
Apertar com parafuso, comer rapidamente.
Bolt down the shelf to the wall. He bolted down his lunch in 5 minutes. Make sure to bolt down all the loose parts. Bomb out.
Fracassar, expulsar, gíria.
The play bombed out after the first night. He bombed out of the competition early. The new product bombed out in the market. Bone up on.
Estudar intensivamente e revisar.
Bone up on your grammar before the test. She boned up on French for her trip to Paris. I need to bone up on history for the exam. Book in.
Registrar na chegada, reservar.
Book in at the hotel reception. We booked in for a table at 8. Please book in your arrival time with the office. Boss around.
Dar ordens, mandar em alguém.
He always bosses around his younger siblings. Stop bossing me around. I know what to do. She bosses around her colleagues at work. Bounce back.
Recuperar-se, voltar a saltar.
The economy will bounce back next year. The ball bounced back off the wall. After his illness, he bounced back quickly. Bowl over.
Surpreender, derrubar.
Her performance bowled over the critics. The toddler was bowled over by the big dog. His kindness bowled me over completely. Box in.
Encaixotar, cercar, limitar.
Box in the old books for storage. The car's boxed in my motorcycle in the parking lot. Don't box in your creativity with too many rules. Branch out.
Expandir, diversificar.
The company branched out into new markets. She branched out from painting to sculpture. We should branch out our services this year. Break down.
Quebrar, falhar, analisar, chorar.
My car broke down on the highway. The negotiations broke down without agreement. Break down the costs for each project. She broke down in tears after the bad news.